Hello everyone, it's Man Patrick here again, and I'm here to talk about the Crown tokens. Yeah, CWS is the acronym for Crowns, and Crowns is a token or a coin used on the Seascape network. Seascape is built on Binance Smart Chain. As I said earlier in my former video, I'm going to put the link in the description so that you guys can see. So let me explain to you guys what Seascape network is. On the screen here, if you check on coinmarketcap.com, slash currencies /currencies /crowns, you come down to overview and read what the Seascape network is. But explaining it in details, it is where you can buy games and services on the Seascape store and stake in Seascape DeFi to earn competitive yield. Meaning it's not only you that it's staking to earn yields. There are many other people which, and the yield reward pool is quite very small and competitive. So you can mint and trade your Seascape standard NFTs, and you can also create PCC, that is player credit coins, backed by crowns. So you can create, it's an ecosystem, and you can create your own player created coins. You can validate the Seascape network and secure the Seascape chain, and you can trade in exchanges and profit from your time spent in Seascape. So let's talk about the circulating supply of crowns. There are three kinds of the circulating supply in crypto, which is the available supply or the circulating supply. There are three kinds of supply generally: the available supply or circulating supply, the total supply, and the maximum supply. And a coin or token must have at least two of these supplies. So any coin that has a circulating supply and a maximum supply means that coin is deflationary. It cannot increase or decrease. Look at what I'm talking about here, where the mouse is pointing. Maximum, you can see that CWS has a maximum and total supply. So for coins that has maximum supply, these are like digital gold or gems, as the name, as you might want to call it. Bitcoin is another cryptocurrency that has a maximum supply of 21 million, which means there cannot be more than 21 million Bitcoin in the world. If you click on this, you see what that means. And I've seen another, should I say, a digital gold on the market today, which is TWS, and it's worth just $44. This coin could be worth as much as what it can be. So by now, I think it's completely undervalued, and the maximum supply is just 10 million, which is less than 50% of Bitcoin total supply. Bitcoin has not finished circulating, and look at this, we have a max supply of. So this is like a J. I'm not. This is not a financial advice. I'm not telling you to rush in and go and buy. So you can see that maximum supply is just 10 million, and there's over 7 billion people in the world. So to know how lucky you are if you own one CWS, just divide 10 billion over 10 million over 7 billion people. You know that you are owning a CWS token that belongs to many people in the world. So now only 528,000 crowns will be fully unlocked at launch. All tokenomics can be found in their documentation. So if you come to this line, this website, I'll put the link in the description of this video, where you can find all the documentation, the source code, the white paper, the community, the explorer, and the smart contracts. Very important. And all that. So um, going down, you will find how to buy, where you can buy your crown tokens. You can buy your crown tokens here. This is the market. It's available on Bitmax, available on Uniswap, available on PancakeSwap, Coin Exchange, OpenShare, and even Bilancy. So this cryptocurrency is available on a lot of exchanges with good liquidity for you to buy. Some of them are high, some of them are moderate, and some are pretty low. But that doesn't matter because this is totally an undervalued coin, and you can see the 24-hour volume, which is about 51 million, sorry, 5.1 million, and a fully diluted market is about 438 million. The market cap is 35 million of this CWS token. So this is like a gem. This is not a financial advice. I'll add this to my watch list. It's not a financial advice. Okay, I'm not yet logged in. When I'm logged in, I'll add it to my you can see over 3,692 people has ranked this coin. It's currently ranking at number 601 on coin market cap. It's built on Binance Smart Chain. You can read their white paper. So if you want to jump into the price analysis of CWS, CWS has the price analysis here. Look at what I did. I just did a little bit of technical analysis for CWS here. This is where you see the breakout against Ethereum. This is a wrapped Ethereum on Uniswap. This is where you see the breakout here, and you can see where I drew the trend line. It has been trending ever since it broke out. This should be after the listing. After the listing, the price went all the way up from here to this point, and it reversed at this point, a little bit of correction, and the reverse started here. There was a little bit of consolidation at this channel, this where you see this, and this channel. In this channel, there was a little bit of consolidation, and after that, there was another breakout. And what is happening here is a reverse. Remember, when people say buy the dip, a dip is an opportunity for you to buy as much as you can, because it might start by consolidating, and the next thing that happens is a breakout. The trend continues. If I draw another trend line from here and move it up this way, you see the trend channel in that direction. So this is not a financial advice, but my price prediction against Reef is that against wrapped crowns against wrapped Ethereum, that is against the main Ethereum, is that in a short period of time, especially when it gets on Binance exchange, and be aware that Binance has invested in this project. It's on Binance Smart Chain, and Binance has invested in this project. In a short period of time, this token is going to be worth over $200 to $300 because of the supply. The supply is very cheap. It can be even more. It can even be worth $1,000. So if you can grab as much as you can, you grab it. But this is not a financial advice. That is my disclaimer to you. This is not a financial advice. So please, you can see this is an opportunity. It's an opportunity on this support where you can enter into this market, and we keep on riding to the moon. So that is it for the price prediction. If you have any comments you have to make about the price prediction, tell me in the comment section below. And now let's talk about the shortcomings of Crown tokens. You know, every coin has its own advantages and disadvantages. Crown token doesn't really have much of that disadvantages, but the only challenges it's facing now is actually liquidity, because on these exchanges you can see that people are not really trading. So the liquidity is quite low, and it's not easily tracked. Okay, liquidity is not that low, you can see, but there is a very big spread on this particular exchange, the spread issue. So but with time, when it gets on more centralized exchanges, because the problem with decentralized exchanges is always liquidity problem. When it gets on more centralized exchanges, high liquidity centralized exchanges like Binance or Pro, this coin is not going to be worth less than $100 for starters, and we move on from there to $300, which is my first target price prediction for this coin. So that is it today, and this is where I'll end it. Do your own fundamental analysis and do your own research on this coin before you go into buy. Thank you very much. My name remains Emmanuel Patrick.